Welcome to Share It Math Problem. So today our equation is 4 to the power exponent to the power of square root of 2x minus 1, which is equal to square root of 2. We find out what's the value of x. So the value of x, first we need to draw their problem. What's the 4? The 4 which is equal to square root of 2. So we replaced it 2 to the power of square root 2x minus 1 and square root of 2. So as we know, the square root of 2 generally a which is 1 by 2, square root of a which is equal to a power 1 by 2. So applied it to square root of x minus 1 2 to the power of 1 by 2. Bases are same, compare their power. If bases are same, compare their power. So if we compare their power, 2 square root of 2x minus 1 which is equal to 1 by 2. Both sides multiply by 2. Means 4 square root of x minus 1 which is equal to 1. Both sides squaring. If we take both sides squaring, 4 square root of 2 minus 1 square. As bases are same, bases are different but power are same, m, then both have same power. Both bases have same power, which is equal to 1 square root of 1 square is 1. 4 square means 16, and square root and their power will eliminate square root 2 over x minus 1, which is equal to 1. 16 2 over x, 32 of x minus 16 ones are 16, 1. Here equal in here left side negative, equal right side positive number. 32 over x which is 1 plus 16, 1 plus 16, 32 over x which is equal to 17, 32 divided by 32 means that x is equal to 17 over 32. So let's verify this. Let's verify where x is equal to 17 over 32. Put x value to the main equation. The main equation will be 4 square root 2x power square root of 2x mean 17 over 32 minus 1 square root and square root of 2. 4 to the power 34 over 32 minus 1 square root of 2. Take their LCM, power 34 minus 32, LCM 34, 32 ones are 32, and 32s are 32, and what equal to square root of 2. Let's verify that. 1 over 32 power and square root equal to 2. 4 1 over square root of 32 means 16 into 2 square root of 2. 4 over 1 by 4 square and 1 by 2. Powers multiplied. 4 1 by 4 square root, power cancel, 1 by 4 and 1 by 2 square root, which is equal to square root of 2. One major mistake have it, and that's here power means 4 to the power 2 over 32, which is square root of 2. To eliminate 1 by 16, 4 over 1 by 16 means 1 by 4 square. Both sides squaring, remove their power, 2. 4 to the power 1 by 4, which is equal to square root of 2. 2 2s are 4, square root of 2. 2 1 by 2, 2 to the power of 1 by 2. 2 means left hand side is equal right hand side.